Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southeast on Hills Boulevard towards Lyndale Avenue in Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. On the left is Hughenden Avenue, and we are making the right onto Lyndale Avenue. On the right is East Lyndale Close. On the right is Lyndale Crescent. On the right is West Lyndale Close. To the left you can find Hendon Drive. On the left is Lyndale Close. On the left is Lyndale Place. Lyndale Avenue ends, and just ahead is Molynes Road. Going right on Molynes Road will take you towards Queensbury, Meadowbrook, Hills and other places, and going left will take you towards Halfway Tree, Washington Boulevard, which will take you to either Constant Spring or Spanish Town in St. Catherine Parish. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.